What's up, guys? Today's video, we're in the Viper. We're headed over to one of my buddy's houses. He has a cool kind of like Baja type trophy truck, and he's looking for more power. So we're gonna go talk to him, check it out, see what we can do to get that thing cranked out some more ponies. Might be ordering some parts, so enjoy the ride and let's see what we get into. Behind this plumbing truck or whatever the heck this thing is. It's taking forever. Okay guys, so we're at Norris's house and this is the potential project truck that we're gonna help him out with. Obviously it's well on its way. It's got a ton of stuff done to it, but he wants to make it faster, wants to make it cooler, wants to make it better. So he wants it louder, more power, a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna be working on this on the channel, so definitely leave your comments in the comments below what you guys think of this thing. So this thing was done and built and it is intense. So it's got Fox racing shocks, a bunch of stuff. There's Norris right there. What we can do to this thing?
Camera, dude. I'm fucking shy.
You camera shy today or what?
Yeah, fuck that. I'm never camera shy. We gotta put some power.
That's the plan, that's the plan. So I think first off, we're gonna start off with the exhaust. So we were talking for a little bit. We're gonna put electric cutouts on it because right now it's got a stock Y pipe on it with a stock catalytic converters. And we're gonna make it a little louder for sure. And then hopefully a supercharger kit. I'm trying to convince them, but.
I'm down.
You're down?
Yeah, you just gotta find the right one. I'm down.
So we're talking right now, either gonna be a Pro Charger kit or it might be a Magnuson one. But we're kind of looking under the hood and we'll show you now or show you in a second, but we're kind of limited on space. So if we can pop this open. So here's what we got under the hood, and same as the back, how you guys saw like the reinforcements and stuff like that for the aftermarket suspension. It's got these huge custom braces and brackets that come real close. So see all these Fox shocks and stuff that are hanging in here, and it's got the suspension brace that comes across here so that this thing doesn't like collapse or fold itself in. But the Pro Charger sits here, and we took some measurements. We're gonna try and talk to Pro Charger to see if it would still fit here, or if not, we would have to go with the Magnuson that would put in here. I think after talking with Norris, we probably wanna do the Pro Charger kit just because it'll make a little bit more. It's got an intercooler, right? So the Magnuson doesn't have an intercooler, so we'll probably be able to make a bit more power that way. But
how much more power do you think?
Well, it's intercooled, so like unless you're running race fuel or something like that, you can usually run a bit more boost. So, because the air charge that comes in is a little bit cooler, so that's kind of usually the benefit of it.
So basically after you're done, this thing's gonna be a monster.
That's the plan.
Okay.
That's the plan.
And then we'll do the Lambo after this.
Are you gonna keep it though?
I don't know. I'm trying to find something else.
He's also got a Lamborghini Huracan Performante that might be getting rid of it.
I don't know.
You're not
We're gonna
sure.
find something else, dude.
Were you bored of that one or what?
Yeah. The fucking windshield.
Oh, just because of that? You can't.
Yeah, absolutely. That pisses me off, dude. That thing pissed me off. Seriously. And I had the windshield cover.
That's the only thing that made you mad?
It pissed me off. That windshield. It was like the smallest little fucking crack. it impact and it just went. Oh, dude, you know how much the windshield was?
It was $6,000, no?
Yeah.
5 grand? 5 grand, 6 grand?
5,600 bucks.
So he got a crack on his windshield, and he even had, what did they call it? There was like a Clearplex.
And those fucks didn't even want to reimburse me anything. Yeah, oh, we'll protect your windshield. Yeah, you're full of shit.
So just a little backstory on what he's talking about. So he has, obviously, the Lamborghini Performante. He had something that was like a protectant that he paid, what, $1,000 to put it on? Or
yeah, 600 bucks.
There's 600 bucks to put like a film over top that's supposed to prevent cracks and chips and all that stuff. And then I don't even think he had it on for a month, and it ended up cracking his windshield. And they backed out of it, so they didn't even want to cover the windshield. So, does it work or what?
Yeah.
You're not even moving that suspension, man. You need to take it off a jump.
Bro, we'll take it to the Arizona house.
Is there jumps over there?
Fuck yeah. What we need to do is you need to come out to Arizona. We'll take the Can-Am out. We got some rifles with some suppressors.
Let's do it.
We'll go shoot some
Let's do it. I've only shot a bunch of crazy guns once down here.
Oh, no, dude. California, you can't shoot nothing.
I don't know. My buddies had a bunch of stuff, but I don't know if they were supposed to have it.
No, we'll go to Arizona. And we'll take Pat, too.
Let's go. Well, another thing we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna end up changing these headlights. They look good right now from 5 feet away. but they got like all the clear coat peeling on them. I think honestly somebody just painted these. They look like the factory ones that somebody painted and put like a tint on it. But at this point it's peeling on both sides. I think Norris is gonna try to peel it off right now.
It's already fucking peeling. It's a piece of shit. Yeah.
So what's your plan for this truck? Let's hear it for a second. Tell everybody what your deal is with this thing.
What do you want? I need more power, bro.
So you need more power.
I need more power.
When you bought this, like tell the story about you buying this and what happened.
I wanted to build a pre-runner, right? For my place in Arizona. The problem is I didn't want to go spend. I didn't want to go spend like $100,000. That's what I was trying to avoid doing because it's like the Can-Am. You buy it, you spend all this money, and it's not worth jack shit. So I bought this truck. I got a smoking deal on it. I've been chasing this truck for 6 years, just because the place that sold it. I do all my trucks there. I've always done all my other vehicles there, but I've always loved this truck. They gave me a good deal on it, but the problem is the thing doesn't have any fucking power. It doesn't, and it sounds good, but it doesn't sound like a monster.
It'll sound better.
Yeah,
it'll sound better. We on YouTube currently right now. I have like a video that's taking off on the exhaust that I did on the Ram with electric cutouts.
See, okay.
So everybody started following that. So
we're gonna do electric cutouts.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the Pro Supercharger.
Yeah.
Custom exhaust.
Yeah.
And what else?
That'll get you started.
Maybe we'll see after that for the cams.
Yeah, so that's kind of the stage I want to do it in. So first things first, we got to get this thing at least sounding somewhat how it looks, because it looks insane, but then it sounds...
Dude, it sounds
okay, but it just sounds like a Silverado with...
It does it, bro. It sounds a little bit more.
It sounds okay. Let's hear. No, come on. It doesn't sound like anything. Here, let me go on the other side and hit the gas for a second. Side exit. So it's only got the 5.3 in it, so nothing crazy. This is an 04, I believe. 04, right?
Yeah, 04. Dude, it's only got like 23,000 miles.
So we're gonna get her tuned up. We'll get her sound. I guarantee you it's gonna sound insane compared to that. That's mellow as hell.
Yeah, with the electric cutouts.
Yeah, so it'll sound way more aggressive even just doing that.
It's just there's a lag, man. This thing when you hit the gas, because the re-gear, it's just not. Yeah.
So I think it has like a 4 something in the back, right? Remember you told me a spec a minute ago? 4, I think. 453. Because this thing has 30. I think these are 37s, right? I was gonna say 37s or even 40s, but they're definitely big. Some big tires. Oh, for sure. And then it's got full suspension underneath too. So it's got a lot of money into it. Okay, we're gonna bring it out so you can kind of see it in the sun too. Woo-wee. All right, guys. So here's what she looks like. We'll be messing with it again here shortly on the channel. So again, anything you guys want to suggest on this or you want to see on this, definitely let me know. I can ask Norris or I'll try to answer it myself as well. Okay, so we're back in the Viper. We're gonna get out of here. I gotta go order some parts or put a list of parts together for Norris's truck. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what's going on with that thing, because that's gonna be a fun project. Check it out, there's Paris Raceway right there. Get a motocross track too. Sick. And we got the mountains. All right, guys, so this is gonna be a really fun project and I'm really excited to get started on this thing. But as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, what kind of stuff you might wanna see on this truck or anything or any details that I can give you on the current build or what you've seen so far. Definitely let me know, I'll get you those answers to your questions. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications because we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff on this truck too, as well as the projects we already have, whether it's the Dakota, the Viper, the Ram 1500 that we already pro-charged, or the S2000 that is right there and you cannot see, but always lots of stuff on the go. We'll see you on the next video.